Hey, I'm Daniel from Blue White, and in this video, I'll review the flow verification system, or FVS input, for our S-Series chemical metering pumps. The flow verification system, or FVS, monitors the pump's fluid input. If the pump does not dispense fluid when moving, it will go into alarm mode and stop the pump. The FVS requires a sensor connected to the pump's inlet to monitor the fluid input. Blue White offers two flow verification sensors, the MS6 and the MICRO-FLO flow sensor, both of which can be easily installed into the pump's inlet. To enable the FVS, open the app drawer, select Settings, select FVS, enable FVS, set the desired trigger delay, confirm by selecting Save, and then select Home. Note, the FVS settings can also be accessed via the Quick Settings tab on the home screen. Thank you for watching this episode of the Blue White Academy. For further questions or assistance, please reach out to us at customerservice@blue-white.com. And for more information, please visit us at blue-white.com.